Welcome back again. Today we are discussing Digital Arms NFT trading platform. Its token ticker is Hunter. If you want to buy this token, you have to register yourself on this website. This is the registration form. Fill up this form, your full name, email address, phone number, select your country, password, confirm password, register. After verification your email, you can buy Hunter token through this website. And now we will discuss more about Digital Arm NFT gaming platform. 0.5% of every transaction on the Digital Arms NFT platform will result in Hunter token burn, reducing total circulation supply over the time. And this is the detail of NFT attributes. First is high quality. Second is accessorize your weapon. Desirability, unique identifier, and this is the token sale detail. Pre-seed is end, and second pre-seed also end, and now whitelist is open. Total raised first and second round 1.55 million USD. Initial circulating supply Hunter token. Public sale price 0.03, initial circulating market caps, and these are featured: News BTC, Digital Journal, Market Watch, Benzinga, and the Motley Fool, Yahoo News. And this is their collaboration partnership, exclusive NFT partnership, and this is tokenomics detail of this project. Total circulating supply: pre-seed 15%, seed 8%, pre-sale whitelist 6%, pre-sale public sale 3%, public sale 3%, 10% strategic partner, 20% team, 5% advisor, trade 30% total supply. And this is their roadmap detail. Q3 2021, establishment of CEO and team, company foreman, white paper, licensing agreement with the industry leading brands, Hunter token website created. And this is detail of safety protection: end-to-end encryption, encrypted data storage, board DDoS and exploitation protection, regular and independent percentage testing, team token logged, Genesis safe storage, early investor locked up 3+ years, built by professional in the industry. And these are core team members: founder, VP BizDev, CTO, CMO, CFO, head of design, advisor, legal and compliance advisor, and copywriter, advisor. And these are their social links, and this is their white paper. You can download it and can read all detail about this project. Thanks for watching.